you spell it? W-H-E-R-E, where? Say it loud and say it clear. Where is a word we love to hear. I can use where in a sentence today. Where in a sentence? Hip hip hooray! Where is a word that we love to say? Spell it with me, let's learn it today. Where, where, where? Where, where, where? Where, where, where? Let's spell it. W-H-E-R-E.
Today's sight word is where. Can you say it? Where. Great. Now let's spell it. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Amazing. You are doing great.